the NHPC IPO has been very well received in the market. From our end, we have recommended investment in this IPO for those with a long-term perspective. This is definitely an investment avenue for the discerning investor. The company has got a fair track record to its credit in terms of fundamentals, in terms of execution of its projects, and in terms of the background of the people who are running the company. That apart, given the power deficit situation in our country, the company going ahead is bound to be able to translate all of this into satisfactory returns for itself, subject to, of course, all its projects going on stream on time as projected in its implementation schedule. That being a small disadvantage to the company, because this being a capital intensive sector, it is bound to take time. The gestation periods are a little long, and there could be certain unforeseen events which could happen. But that apart, this is definitely an investment worthy avenue for investors looking out for a good and a safe investment bet. If we choose to compare it in terms of size, JP Hydro would be its nearest comparable peer. However, to put things in the right perspective, all we need to do is look at the figures which are indicative of the wide margin between the two. For instance, for FY09, the net profit of NHPC was nearly 4 times that of JP Hydro's entire turnover. That speaks for itself. While the PE of the issue suggests that perhaps the issue has not been priced as modestly as expected of a PSU company. However, the price to book ratio is relatively low at 2. Keeping these things in mind, a retail investor would do well to consider entering this IPO, to consider investment in this IPO, and look for gains with a perspective of a 2 to 3 year time frame.